Chakarakachichacho chakaloram gando wando lakarakatam.
Dear students and respected parents, greetings of the day. Once again, we are in front of you with the second part of our math exhibition. In this part, you will learn how the mathematical hexagon can derive all the trigonometrical formula. Especially for the board students, it will be a very easy and very smooth learning of mathematical formula related to trigonometry. You will also come to know once again how we can teach maths through art subjects. And third part of this video will describe the importance of mathematics, which is appreciated in our Indian scripture in Vedas. So overall, you will learn maths with fun. Thank you very much.
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, एक बार मैं फिर आपके सामने हूँ एक नया मैथ का जादू दिखाने के लिए अपने गुप्ता सर के साथ। ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ पे आपको मैं एक नया मैथ का जादू दिखाऊंगा। यहाँ पर आपके सामने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You are having 8 items here, right? गुप्ता सर, आप इनमें से कोई भी एक आइटम अपने मन में सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए। राइट? जो आप मुझको मत बताइए, सर मुझको नहीं बताएंगे। जो भी आपने सेलेक्ट किया है उसको आप एक पेपर पर लिख लीजिए। मैं इधर देख रहा हूं, मैं नहीं देख रहा हूं कि सर क्या लिख रहे हैं।
यस सर।
अब गुप्ता सर ने मुझे नहीं बताया कि गुप्ता सर ने क्या लिखा है, वो बताएगी मेरी मैजिक स्टिक। ठीक है, ओके। गुप्ता सर ने जो पेपर में लिखा है वो मुझको नहीं दिखाया है और ये बताएगी मेरी मैजिक स्टिक। ठीक है सर, आपको क्या करना है कि मैं अपनी इस मैजिक स्टिक को अलग अलग चीजों पे रखूंगा। एक चीज पे रखूंगा एंड यू विल जस्ट टियर वन वर्ड, राइट? इस तरीके से फाइनली ये स्टिक आपको बताएगी कि आपने मन में क्या है। तो चिल्ड्रंस, आर यू रेडी? ओके। टियर में एक टिक देना। मैं इस स्टिक को आगे ले जाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, लेकिन ये स्टिक मूव नहीं हो रही है। इसका मतलब सर आपने मन में पेंसिल को लिया था, राइट?
यस
यस। तो आपको मेरा ये मैजिक कैसा लगा आप जरूर मुझे बताइएगा। अब मैं आपको इसके पीछे की ट्रिक बताने वाला हूं। ठीक है, इनफैक्ट मैजिक कुछ भी नहीं होता है, ये सिंपल ट्रिक्स होती हैं। मैथ की ट्रिक होती है, साइंस की ट्रिक होती है, जिनको आप यूज करके आप भी ऐसे मैजिक कर सकते हो। देखो इसके पीछे क्या था कि अगर आप देखो मैंने क्या आइटम्स अपने पास ले रखे हैं, ये एक सिस्टमैटिक फॉर्म में है, राइट? फर्स्ट 3 letter word, this is pen, P-E-N. Pen is 3 letter word, right? Then there is a book, B-O-O-K, book. Book is a 4 letter word. Book is a 4 letter word, right? Then there is a scale. Scale is a 5 letter word, S-C-A-L-E. Scale is a 5 letter word. Then there is a pencil. Pencil is 6 letter word, right? And in same way we are having picture. Picture is 7 letter. Matchbox is 8 letter. Blue paper is 9 letter. And white paper is a 10 letter words. Right? तो मैंने इनको पर्पसली जो ये आइटम मैंने सिलेक्ट किए हैं इनको मैंने पर्पसली सिलेक्ट किया था ताकि हमें एक 3 लेटर वर्ड मिले, एक 4 लेटर वर्ड मिले, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 एंड 10. राइट? तो मैंने सर को बोला कि सर आप इनमें से एक चीज अपने मन में सिलेक्ट करके आप उसकी स्पेलिंग लिख लीजिए. राइट? तो बेटा जो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, पहले मैंने अपनी जो मैंने पहले अपनी स्ट्रिक टच की बोर्ड पे. बोर्ड पे क्यों टच की? क्योंकि बोर्ड को एजम्पशन में नहीं रखा था तो हमारा 1 लेटर वर्ड वहां से कैंसिल हो गया. राइट? देन आई पुट माय स्ट्रिक ऑन टेबल. राइट? टेबल वाज आल्सो नॉट इन चॉइस. गुप्ता सर टेबल की भी चॉइस नहीं कर सकते थे तो हमारे 2 लेटर वर्ड उसमें से कैंसिल हो गए. देन I put on the 3 letter word, right? I put in 3 letter word, pen, right? एक लेटर उसमें से कैंसिल हो गया. Then I move to the 4 letter word, book, right? Book. Then after I move to the 5 letter word, scale. And as soon I put in my stick on the 6 letter word, this is pencil. गुप्ता सर के पास कोई भी चीज नहीं बची थी. That means this is the answer, right? तो इसको एक बार आप भी घर में पिक करके देखो and enjoy it. Thank you.
Dear students, today we are seeing a new puzzle clock. In this we can see different symbols of mathematics. I suggest you to check and verify the values of these mathematical expressions, whether forming the numbers of the clock or not. This is a task for you. This is a special clock here, and you can find different special symbols of mathematics and check whether these are forming the numbers of the clock, the values of these expressions forming numbers of the clock or not.
Hello children, as a part of our mathematics exhibition, today we are going to demonstrate one technique of learning the table of 9. Okay, as you all know many ways to learn the table of 9. Today we are using our hands, fingers, actually our fingers for learning the table of 9. So, as you all know we are having 10 fingers. We have to count the numbers from our left side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? So, first one is 9 ones are, 9 ones are. So, we have to fold the first finger, right? 9 ones are, we have to see हमारा right side, left side में 0 is there and 9, right side we are having 9. So, 9 ones are 9. Next one is 9 2. 9 twos are हमारा right. So 9 twos are here 1 is there and here हमारा right side में 8. So 1 8 18. Okay. Next one 9 threes are 2 and here we are having 7. So 2 7 27. 9 fours are, we have to fold our fourth finger. Okay. अभी हमारा लेफ्ट साइड में 3 and here 6. So 9 fours are 3 6 36, right? Next one is 9 fives are. So we have to fold our fifth finger. Okay, here हमारा left side 4 and here 5. So 4 5 45. Next one is 9 6 are 6. We have to fold the sixth finger, right? Here I am folding my sixth finger. Here left side में 5 and right side में 4. So 5 4 54. Next one is 9 sevens are. We have to fold our seventh finger, right? So here हमारा left side में 6 and here 3. 63. 9 eights are. For that we have to fold our eighth finger, right? So here we are getting 7 and here 2. 7 to 72. Next one is 9 nines are. For that we have to fold our 9th finger. So 9 nines are here 8 and here 1. 8 1 81. Next one is 9 tens are. 9 tens are in our left side 9 fingers are there and right side 0. So 9 0 90. Okay students, this way we have to learn 9 table in new technique. Thank you.
Today we shall discuss regarding magic hexagon. Let us see first how to draw this magic hexagon. So this is a hexagon and join their opposite vertices here so that we can get like this. So this is a hexagon and with the help of this hexagon we can derive so many trigonometric basic formulae. So I am demonstrating that today. Here, as we know all that tan is equal to sine by cos. Sine by cos. We can write here tan. By using this formula, we can write like this: tan, sine, and next one cos. If you draw the line of symmetry for this magic hexagon, it will be like this. And here tan reciprocal here is cot, and sine reciprocal you have to write here cosecant, and cos reciprocal secant. If you observe this, on the right side of this line of symmetry we are having trigonometric ratios starting with letter C, cos, cot, cosecant. Remaining are on the other side like sine, tan and secant here. In this way we will draw the magic hexagon at first to derive the formula, and the circle goes like this, okay. And I want to derive certain basic formulae from this. So once again I will draw this. At first I have shown you how to draw this hexagon. Secondly, I want to derive the formula here. So like this. At first what I am doing here, I am taking the 3 successive ratios at first like this: sine, cos and cot. Starting with sine here, sine, cos and cot. These 3 ratios I am taking at first. So from this we can write one formula here, that is sine theta is equal to cos theta by cot theta. Okay, and next one, this is one formula. I will take one more group here, 3 ratios in one group like this. Okay, in clockwise direction I am taking the ratios here, 3 successive ratios. Cos, cot and cosecant I am taking. From this we can write cos theta is equal to cot theta by cosecant theta. Next one, I will start with this cot. Cot theta is equal to cosecant by secant. Cot theta is equal to cosecant theta by secant theta. Cot theta is equal to cosecant theta by secant theta. Okay. Similarly, we can derive so many other formulae like this. I will take cosecant, secant and tan, so that I can get like this: cosecant theta is equal to secant theta by tan theta. Okay. So cosecant theta is equal to secant theta by tan theta. Similarly, if you take these three ratios, secant theta is equal to tan theta by sin theta. Next, some more ratios, one more ratio we can write. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That we know already. Okay. So I am not writing that. Next one, some more formula we shall derive with the help. See this hexagon once again. From this I will derive some more formulae, some other set of formulae here. Earlier we have seen the hexagon and we have taken the ratios in clockwise direction and we have written the formula. Now I am taking the magic hexagon and I am taking the ratios in the anti-clockwise direction, starting with sine, as we have done earlier, starting with sine in the beginning. The same way in anti-clockwise direction, by taking three ratios at a time. So from this I can derive sin theta is equal to tan theta by secant theta. Similarly, tan theta is equal to secant theta by cosecant theta. Some other set of trigonometric ratios here. Tan theta is equal to secant theta by cosecant theta. And you see here, one more set I am taking three ratios at a time in anti-clockwise direction. So secant theta is equal to cosecant theta by cot theta. Next, cosecant theta is equal to cot theta by cos theta. This also we can take another set. Okay, cosecant theta is equal to cot theta by cos theta. Okay, like this we can derive the formula, or we can take the formula with the help of this magic hexagon. Those who can't remember the trigonometric formulae, they can learn this one, this magic hexagon, and they can derive the ratio, the formulae like this. We shall see this magic hexagon once again, and here by taking two ratios like this, we can derive some more formula here. That is, if you observe this one, sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. See how nicely we can write this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we call it as, in our trigonometric chapter. And tan theta is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, and secant theta is equal to cosecant of 90 degrees minus theta. Like this we can derive the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Some more we shall derive with the help of the magic hexagon. See this, if we take the arrow in reverse order, like this, we can derive some more trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here cos theta is equal to sine of 90 degrees minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus theta, and cosecant cosecant theta is equal to secant of 90 degrees minus theta. Secant of 90 degrees minus theta. In this way we can derive these trigonometric ratios of complementary angles formulae. And next one we shall see some other set of formulae of trigonometry with the help of this magic hexagon. I am writing one here in the middle. If you observe this, sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1, like that we can derive. One line you take here, this line, and sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1, like this we can write. Or else sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or else cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. In the similar manner we can write other formulae with the help of this. We shall write one set of formulae here. At first one line we are taking and we are writing sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Next one, another line. Cos theta into secant theta equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Another line. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Okay, we shall see some other formulae. We shall see this one. Here, from this sixth set of formulae, I am writing one in the middle so that we can derive according to that. Here also same thing. The set of formulae that I will derive here will be the trigonometric identities. See, we shall take certain triangles here from this hexagon. We can take this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle in the respective orders as I have shown the arrow mark here. So here these three triangles we will take and we will write the formula like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next one, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. See this. Next one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. This is in clockwise direction I have taken. In anti-clockwise direction, how we can take, that we shall see in the next set of formulae. We shall take the same triangles as we have taken earlier, and I will take the ratios in anti-clockwise direction. Here you see. So, in this direction I will take 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Next, secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Next, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Like this, we can derive these many formulae with the help of a single magic hexagon. With the help of a single magic hexagon, we can derive these many formulae. Children, those who feel that trigonometry is a difficult chapter, they can learn easily the formulae from this magic hexagon and make the chapter easier. See this, the set of formulae with the help of diagram I have shown you, with the help of magic hexagon. See this, you can note it, you can take the screenshots of this and you can learn this. Thank you for watching.
गुड मॉर्निंग डियर ऑल स्टूडेंट्स। सो आज हम सीखेंगे कि नंबर से कैसे ड्राइंग करने हैं। ओके, और वो भी नंबर 1 से लेकर पूरा नंबर 10 तक। कितने फिंगर्स है हमारे? 10। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे नंबर 1 से। देखो यहाँ पर मैंने नंबर 1 ड्रॉ किया है ना। अभी हम यहाँ से ये लाइन कनेक्ट करेंगे एंड देन इसका स्टैंड बना देंगे एंड देन यहाँ से एक फ्लेम बना देंगे। सो व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ कैंडल। और ये कैसे बनी? हमने इसके लिए नंबर 1 यूज़ किया। ओके, अभी नंबर 2 की टर्न। सी नंबर 2। ओके, नाउ अभी नंबर 2। सी नंबर 2। तो नंबर 2 से हम बनाएंगे What is this? It is swan. नंबर 2 से क्या बना हमारा? स्वैन। ओके, नाउ नंबर 3। सी नाउ नंबर 3। हम इसको ऐसे टर्न कर लेंगे और सी नंबर 3 से हमें क्या मिला? बटरफ्लाई। ओके, इट्स रेडी टू फ्लाई। नाउ नंबर 4। ये हमने ड्रॉ किया नंबर 4, है ना। अब इससे हम बनाएंगे, सी अभी सबने एंजॉय किया ना उत्तरायण फेस्टिवल। अभी हम नंबर 4 से बनाएंगे काइट। अब काइट इज रेडी। नाउ वी हैव टू स्टार्ट with number 5. See, number 5. और ये नंबर 5 से क्या बना?
Here's what I found on the web.
एप्पल, है ना, एप्पल सबको पता है ना। एन एप्पल अ डे कीप डॉक्टर्स अवे। नाउ सी नंबर 6। नंबर 6 यहाँ पर हम इसको ऐसे कनेक्ट करेंगे, इसको ऐसे कनेक्ट करेंगे और ये क्या बना नंबर 6 से? स्नेल। नाउ नंबर 7। सेवन को यहाँ से कनेक्ट करेंगे, ये बनी नंबर 7 से boat. Number 8. यहाँ हम बनाएंगे 2 और सर्कल और ये बन गए आईज, एक छोटा सर्कल और ये बन गया माउथ। पता चल रहा है ये क्या बन रहा है? बाय यूजिंग नंबर 8. What is this? It is teddy bear. Okay. Now we will start with the number 9. See, this is number 9. क्या कर रहा है ये क्रेन, पता चल रहा है? ये है ना पानी में फिश को सर्च कर रहा है ना, पानी में खड़ा है। ओके, और अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं नंबर 10. नंबर 10. पता चल रहा है मैम क्या बना रही है ना? बैट इज रेडी एंड नाउ दिस इज बॉल. ओके, सो ऐसे हमने नंबर 1 से लेकर 10 तक हमने क्या क्या बनाया? नंबर 1 से हमने बनाया कैंडल, नंबर 2 से हमने बनाया स्वैन, नंबर 3 से हमने बनाया बटरफ्लाई, नंबर 4 से हमने बनाया काइट, नंबर 5 से हमने बनाया एप्पल, नंबर 6 से हमने बनाया स्नेल, नंबर 7 से हमने बनाया बोट, नंबर 8 से हमने बनाया टेडी बेयर, नंबर 9 से हमने बनाया क्रेन एंड एट लास्ट नंबर 10 इट इज़ बैट एंड बॉल. ओके, थैंक यू.
यथा शिखा मयूरानं नागानां मनयो यथा तद्वद् वेदांगशास्त्राणां गणितं मूर्धनि स्थितम्. It means, like the crest of the peacock, like the gem on the head of a snake, so is mathematics at the head of all knowledge. यानी जो स्थान मोर का शिखा में और नागों में मणि का है, वही स्थान सभी वेदों और शास्त्रों में गणित को दिया गया है. So students, write this shloka on the first page of your mathematics notebook and read it every day, so you will know the importance of it in your daily life.
చకరక చీచాచో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకటం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి గిడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ విడిపాయ్ చికిచకచో గిలిగిలి మల్ సులుసులు మల్ మకనక హుకుబుకురే టుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో బగడదుం జగడదుం చికిచకచో.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं. हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ. चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले. Pasa bam 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले. बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे. बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे. भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना. सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए